wire.
You're going to scare him. He's going to take a bath.
The other birdie wants to take a bath.
Did she get too wet? Oh, look. You take a bath. Get some water. Go look. Oh. Now the white one's taking a bath, too.
Peanut wants to take a bath. Now it's your turn.
Oh, that yellow one likes the water. Oh! We getting all wet?
You're not getting all wet. Careful, Birdie. They're all taking a bath. See, they're all taking a bath.
Are they all taking a bath now? Oh my gosh.
Look at me, take a pool.
Yeah, they got like a pool.
Now I got a pool too.
Yeah, and they take drink in their pool water. Here, the red one's gonna go. The red one wants a bath now too.
Red one.
You think the red one will? And the white one's good.
He's walking his shoe. He's walking his shoe.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
Yeah, he's doing that. They're all nice and wet.
Are they all getting you wet? Are they getting you all wet? I love this bath. Oh my gosh.
Stop, please.
Oh, they're happy.
They're happy now.
Oh my gosh. Look at all the water flying. Oh, the dark red one. What are you doing?
I think
You are so funny.
yeah, it's funny.
And look at they're all up there drying off, flapping around. They all got their water, showers, baths.
Let's go under the water. Now let's trying to go in that water. He wants to go in that water. Mom wants to go in this water.
What's he going to do?
He wants to go in this water.
In that water right over there?
Ah!
Ooh. We better shut the windows and pull down the umbrella. Wait by.